Hey everybody, it's Super Bowl week and everybody's probably going to a Super Bowl party. That's a place you can really run into some trouble with your blood sugar if you aren't careful. So just a couple of tips as you get ready to go out this Sunday afternoon. Number one, go ahead and eat 3 meals before you go so that you don't get off your diet or treat the party as a meal. When you get to the party, if there's snacks out, I've fallen into a really bad habit of grazing and not keeping track of my carbs. My blood sugar goes up and then I don't enjoy the game because I don't feel well. So to avoid that, I have 2 tips. First, take a plate and fill up the plate. Count the carbs, make sure you have some vegetables and other things to make it a really balanced snack. That's one way to do it. And then take your medicine or your insulin accordingly to how much you put on that plate and try not to go back again to fill up the plate a second time. The other tip is to figure out how many carbohydrates you want to eat, and you can graze and you can take your insulin or your medication accordingly over time. And then when you get to that carb limit, let's call it 45 grams or 50 grams, then you shut it down at that point. Lastly, I try to make a quota for how many drinks I'm going to have when I go to a Super Bowl party because it is on Sunday and you got to go to work the next day. And so I usually say I'm going to have a couple of drinks or 3, and then when I get to that limit, I stop because it's awfully easy to get to a Super Bowl party early and lose track of how many drinks you had. That messes up your blood sugar, compels you to make bad food choices too, and then of course you feel bad going to work on Monday. We hope this is helpful. Enjoy the big game, and we'll look forward to seeing you at thediabetessupportgroup.org.